So in Ayurveda, what is the topic I started? Disadvantages of Ayurveda. All the Ayurvedic doctors should have this understanding. Don't deviate from the classical Ayurveda. You understand the body constitution through your pulse diagnosis. You know where is the imbalance, and from there you are treating the client. You are going to the root cause. You are not treating the clients based on the disease. You are treating the clients based on the imbalance. So when you go to that root cause, and when you nullify that imbalance, automatically the client gets normal. You need not treat every individual disease. You need not treat obesity, you need not treat diabetes, hypertension, dyslipidemia. But if you treat the imbalance, all the underlying diseases will come under the control. So let's not come out of our classical Ayurveda. At the same time, the Ayurveda doctors should have a depth of knowledge as was a super specialist is gaining in the modern medicine.